Hi guys. Let me just look into this before we wrap the day off. And basically, you want to have an idea of what is happening with the GDP. Earlier before now, GDP have actually been monitoring them and to have a feel of what we expect them to do. So as at yesterday, we were looking at GDP pair on the daily time frame, looking at what the big guy is doing, and we saw for about this week now, we've been seeing a pushback up around this region for a while now. Okay, and you can actually see this trend line being respected, and you have this pushback up. So basically from the big time frame, you can actually see resistance around that region, and expectedly we had a bounce. So my take was initially that price will begin to retrace its steps backward, but so far so good. As at yesterday, we saw a breakout in the price of the GDP, seeing the price breaking out of the trend line and pushing up right there. Let me change this. No.
Somebody would have called him now.
So before you can have an upward trend. So expectedly we have a bounce around this region, so I'll be looking for a very good buy around this region before I can get into the market. So we can actually see right here on trend line, so expectedly for GDP. Okay, so let me look into that's GDP USD. So also for AD, take this out. You can also see price reactions around. Okay, so and another breakout. Okay, so hopefully we should be expecting more buys. So when you have a look at the market generally for GDP AED, we will be looking at possibly further opportunity to head up right there. Okay, so also with GDP net, same, you can also see the breakout right there, and these are markets you can actually trade and you won't get knocked out at any point in time. Just the only thing you need to do is wait patiently for the market. So we can also have on the weekly chart, on the weekly time frame, sorry, let me take this out. So right here, I'm expecting further reactions, then price bouncing around this region, then probably head up. Okay, so we hope to see more market structures around here, so we can actually have something like this. Okay, so that's all about that for my major stake on GDP. So gold also, we've been looking at gold right here and seeing a very good resistance line, and we'll have this breakout. So until we have this buyer's region being broken up, we can actually say the sellers are right to actually get into the market. But one further thing I'm actually looking at right here is a potential opportunity for the buyers to actually kick in again, because the reason why I say that is looking at the price from here. We have a downward trend and price came, reacted and touched that line, but then you shouldn't forget that a lot of people are seeing this as a flag. Okay, price expected around this region. You can see that expected, then you have a breakout and came and price still expecting that region, so you can see certain reactions around this region. So further more we want to see a potential pull up, and this might actually pull up again. So if you have a breakout around this region, you might have to wait for a contest right there, and this would be a very good opportunity to actually sell the market. So basically those are my thoughts on those few trades that we've just looked into. So you can actually go through more and find more opportunities to get into the market. So we'll see you later.